Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate, what a shocking. SHIBA INUs are quite vulnerable to this action. Set out in detail, trading SHIBA INUs has been rather unsuccessful recently. A bullish continuation pattern was broken by the meme coin. It appears to be moving away from this hopeful forecast, which could indicate a negative situation. Like last October, will the price of SHIBA INUs go up again? To find out, stay tuned. Startling is the topic of discussion. In this video, SHIBA INUs are quite vulnerable to this action. Given an explanation, if you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of SHIBA INUs, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. On July 18th, the price of SHIBA INUs surged 22% in less than 48 hours, breaking through a bullish pennant. A flagpole and a pennant make up this technical configuration. The flagpole for SHIB was constructed by the 34% explosive move that occurred between June 19th and June 25th. A pennant was formed as a result of the subsequent consolidation, which manifested as lower highs and higher lows. The pattern predicts a 34% increase to 0.0000154 USD, which is calculated by adding the height of the flagpole to the breakout point at 0.00000000116 USD, following a flawless breakout at 0.0000116 USD on July 18th. SHIB confirmed its bullish perspective with a clean retest of the pennant. Consequently, following a breakout, the price of SHIBA INUs increased by 14%. Unfortunately, the bearish forces gained control, which resulted in an abrupt reversal of the move that penetrated the pennant's body. This action already reduces the likelihood of a breakout achieving its target, technically speaking. It doesn't matter, the possibility remains, as the price of SHIBA INU is once again testing the demand zone between $0.00006 and $0.0000011. It is the altcoin's final chance to salvage the bullish outlook. If the SHIB bulls can hold this level, buyers will have another opportunity to set off a run-up to the predicted goal of $0.0000000. A lack of strength from purchasers would be indicated if the SHIBA INU price falls below the demand zone of $0.0000000 to $0.00000000000000000000000000000000000000000. If this happens, the bullish thesis will be rendered useless, and a move to $0.000000095 will be initiated if the daily candlestick closes below the $0.000000006 level. If this level is broken, a 22% drop to $0.000000003 USD will be triggered. The meteoric rise in inflation this year has been devastating to the value of cryptocurrencies, as it has been for many tech stocks and riskier assets, as well as the federal funds rate, the central bank's benchmark lending rate for overnight loans. This has been swiftly raised. Interest rate hikes are bad news for riskier assets because they force growth assets, which were trading at premium valuations before, to fork up more of their profits and returns to cover the increased yield on safer assets. Everyone is waiting for Wednesday's announcement by the Federal Reserve's Rate Selling Committee regarding the central bank's outlook on the economy and plans for interest rate hikes throughout the year. The stock market and cryptocurrency prices might be in for some rough times if the Fed were more aggressive. The Federal Reserve's confidence in inflation and the economy's future can lead to a positive reaction from asset prices. Nevertheless, based on how things have gone so far this week, I anticipate that today will be the calmest day ahead. On Thursday, the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis will issue its estimate for gross domestic product growth for the second quarter of this year. This, together with more earnings reports, could be a huge event that impacts crypto and the market as a whole. U.S. gross domestic product shrank 1.6% in Q1 after increasing by nearly 7% in Q2. The official indication for a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. The U.S. economy would avoid a technical recession by a hair's breadth if Goldman Sachs' revised GDP forecast for the second quarter of 0.7% pans true. The U.S. economy did not seem to enter a recession in the second quarter thanks to a robust labor market and healthy consumer spending reported by most major U.S. banks. Still, investors may view the downturn as a temporary setback, which might spell trouble for assets with a higher degree of uncertainty, such as cryptocurrency. Crypto prices could move up or down in the foreseeable future, in my opinion. If the Federal Reserve is less aggressive in GDP growth in the second quarter is better than projected, the market might be led to believe that the Fed can control inflation and achieve a more accommodating landing than what many have predicted in recent months. If that were to happen, cryptocurrency values would probably rise. However, hawkish rhetoric and poor economic data could cause them to fall. Restored Shiba Inu to its former glory by included it in its ranking of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Things are looking up for the purported Dogecoin dethroner, which has been struggling to compete with its Humor Coin rival recently, for its role as the first Asian blockchain company to get an EMI VC license. The BSBSB oversees Coins.ph. With a trust of more than 18 million users, Coins.ph has become the most trusted cryptocurrency brand in the Philippines, as stated in its mission statement. At the 2019 Asian Banker Philippine Awards, Coins.ph was also named Best Blockchain or Distributed Ledger Technology or Platform. As its user base continues to expand, the platform is able to meet the needs of its users by expanding access to financial institutions, money transfer services, and payment providers in the Philippines through its infrastructure and strategic alliances with two prominent blockchain networks, Ripple and Stellar. Users are able to pay bills, send money, buy and sell digital currencies, and conduct transactions using Bitcoin on the platform. Due to this listing, experts evaluated the Shiba Inu price movement and predicted a surge to the bullish $0.00000 gold price. With a price target of $0.00000 in mind, the meme coin has a chance to recoup its losses and start a rebound. Shiba Inu has risen 7.1% in the past week, according to Sunday's CoinGecko statistics, and is now trading at 0.0000000. Shiba Inu has been listed on numerous large exchanges recently, including Robinhood and Bitstamp. Thus, this is not its first occurrence. On July 25th, the Shiba Inu team announced the new SHIB Burn Visa card would be available. The news broke via the burn tracker account of Shiba Inu at SHIBurn. A single orange Visa card bearing the initials SB in the message "Make Payments, Burn SHIB" appeared in the brief promotional video. Vision and Shiba Inu worked together in April 2022 to make the Shiba Inu Burn portal. Incentives to burn SHIB tokens are the goal of the gateway. In exchange, the burners will supposedly receive 0.49% of all transactions in Ryoshi tokens, but the doling out of rewards has been painfully sluggish. The holders of SHIB have been growing frustrated with the prize Ryoshis despite the fact that they burned through almost $110 million worth of SHIB in just 24 hours. Even the Shiba Inu squad has noticed the annoyance. What is apparent is the continued failure to deliver such workflows precisely based on the platform's promise, the team said on Shiba's official blog. The award system is not working well enough. Nearly 149.6 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned and transferred to wallets where they cannot be spent. According to SHIBurn, most of it, roughly 87 million SHIB, has been transferred to dead wallets in 12 transactions in the past 48 hours. According to a study by Whale Stats last week, the Shiba Inu community has hit a new owner milestone. Blue Whale 0159 traded 150 billion Shiba Inus on Friday for a total of $1,750,500. Shiba Inu saw a day-to-day gain of 1.91% on Sunday, trading at $0.000001176. The Shiba Inu coin, which swept 2021, is already a cult classic, assuming prices rise from there. Present macro lows in July of 2022, it has a good probability of making history once again and assisting with your retirement. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.